Hello friends, welcome to Senior to Junior Academy. Friends, I welcome you all to our top core companies campus interview question with explanation series. Friends, this is question number 20, and for those of the new viewers, I would request you to please watch our previous 19 question in order to understand what kind of question are being asked in the interview. I have uploaded different companies interview questions with full explanation, and I would like to thank every viewer for being so supportive, and I have already crossed more than 8 lakh views on my previous 19 questions. So friends, this has motivated me to continue the series, and in this video I'll be discussing two important questions that is being regularly asked in PSU and campus interview question. Friends, so these two questions that I would like to discuss today is: first is the explanation of cubic capacity of an engine, and second is the meaning of compression ratio. Friends, so friends, first of all, let us see what is cubic capacity. Friends, in order to understand cubic capacity, you need to understand what is swept volume. Friends, swept volume is basically also known as displacement volume. Friends, it is denoted by Vs. Friends, see, swept volume is basically, you know that a piston travel from one end to other end. The bottommost is known as bottom dead center, and the top is known as the top dead center. So its movement is constant between these two ends. So friends, the total volume that it displaces between these two ends, that is the top dead center and the bottom dead center, is known as your swept volume. So basically, you know the formula of volume, it's area into length. So the length is basically the length of actually the stroke, the length between the bottom dead center till top dead center. So it is expressed in centimeter cube. So friends, if you are having if you are having a bike, say it is having one cylinder, so basically cc means the cubic capacity or the swept volume that your engine displaces in one stroke. But friends, if you have a car with 4 cylinder, so basically you have to multiply the swept volume of one cylinder into number of cylinders. So basically cubic capacity will be the swept volume into number of cylinder. So friends, you have often seen written 150 cc in Bajaj Pulsar 220. You often have heard these terms. So basically that means 150 is the 150 centimeter cube of volume it has displaced in one movement of the piston from top dead center to bottom dead center. So friends, I hope you have got an idea about the cubic capacity. So friends, let us see the next question that is being asked, and it is one of the most confusing as well as the favorite question of all the interviewer. This question will definitely be asked if you are applying for PSU and the core companies. So it is, what is compression ratio? Friends, so in order to understand compression ratio, you need to understand the important terminology, that is clearance volume. Friends, see, when your piston reaches the top dead center, I have explained in this diagram that when it reaches the top dead center, it still has some volume left over it till the combustion chamber. So actually this volume is called your clearance volume. So if you go by definition, I have written it is the volume of combustion chamber above the piston where it is at top dead center. So basically the volume above the piston where it is at top dead center till the combustion chamber is known as your clearance volume. Simple meaning is this. It is also expressed in centimeter cube. Now when I talk about compression ratio, friends, you know that compression ratio means actually it is actually the ratio of your total cylinder volume divided by your clearance volume. See, when I tell total cylinder volume, that means I am considering the swept volume that I have discussed earlier plus the clearance volume. So I can tell total volume of the cylinder is basically the swept volume plus clearance volume. So if you write in formula, then that is total volume divided by clearance volume. I have given you the simple formula where you can see the how to calculate the compression ratio, but simple meaning is your total volume divided by clearance volume, simple as that. When you are seeing sometimes that is the compression ratio is 10:1, that means let's say a cylinder total volume is 10 centimeter cube and the clearance volume is 1 centimeter cube. So that means your compression ratio is, friends, 10:1, simple as that. So friends, I hope you like this video, and I'll be uploading various this type of question in which clarity is required. I have seen a lot of students getting confused in clearance volume. Basically, they do not know what is clearance volume. Even if they know clearance volume, they do not know how to define compression ratio. They always define opposite. They write it compression ratio as a clearance volume divided by total volume. Friend, this is very wrong practice. And interviewer knowingly asks this question in order to test your knowledge on this part. So basically, compression ratio, you should know, it's the ratio of total volume of a cylinder divided by the clearance volume. And when I say total volume of the cylinder, that means it's the volume of swept volume plus clearance volume. So friends, with this I thank you all for watching the channel. Friends, if you want this slide, you can mail me at s2jacademy@gmail.com. You can join our group, for which I have shared the link in the description box. You can like our page. Please subscribe to the channel so that you get the next important question which are being asked regularly in the interview. Please subscribe, do share the video. Thank you for watching, friends.